In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your Monday.com team. If you're new to Monday.com or simply looking for a refresher on how to expand your team, you're in the right place. Let's get started by navigating the familiar Monday interface. First, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Teams. This section is your hub for managing all the teams within your workspace. If you haven't set up a team yet, no worries, you'll need to click on New Team. Here, you can begin crafting your team's identity by entering a unique team name, selecting a team profile picture, and, importantly, inviting your team members. Once you've filled in these details, click Create to finalize the setup. With your team now created, it's time to add members. You're likely eager to invite people who will join your collaborative efforts. Click on Add Users within your team settings. If you don't see a list of people ready to be added, it means that those users haven't been invited to the overall workspace yet. To rectify this, head over to the All Users section within the Team Manager. Here you'll see an option labeled Invite at the top right corner of the section. Click there to begin sending out your invitations. You will encounter a prompt asking you to select the specific Monday.com product to which you wish to invite them. After making this selection, enter the email addresses of the colleagues or collaborators you wish to invite. There's also an opportunity here to include a personal message, which can be a great way to add a welcoming touch or provide any additional context about the project or team goals. Once your message and selections are ready, press Invite. Your part is almost done. Now, you just need to wait for those invited to accept the invitation. After they do, your next step is to integrate these new members into your existing team structures. Return once more to the Team Manager, find the specific team you'd like them to join, click Add Users, and from the list, select those who have accepted your invitation. And that's it. You've successfully invited new members to your Monday.com team. This process not only allows for smooth integration, but also maximizes the collaborative potential of your Monday.com workspace. With your team assembled, you're all set to forge ahead with your projects, leveraging the full suite of tools Monday.com provides. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy collaborating.